June 10th, 2010. Knights of Columbus, Streator, Illinois. You're fine. Okay, check out this line. This is just to-go orders. Through the wall, through the bar, and actually that line goes all the way out the front of the building, and that's just for the to-go orders. We'll get dining in a little bit. The line starts here, and then it goes around the bar now. This is about 10 minutes to 5. Looks like they're gonna maybe start up another serving line because it's a long, long line. They're clearing away to make some more service lines here. They have one line, but it looks like they might go up to 2 lines, if not more. Like I said, it's not even 5 o'clock and it must be 200 people in this room. I didn't go to the dining area yet. See anybody you know? I see a bunch. We may talk to people here in a little bit. So this is at 8 o'clock on the inside for dining in. Still serving.
Are you Kurt? Are you Kurt?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm your Facebook friend.
Are you? Well, you're going to be on my video Facebook friend now. And what's your name?
My name's Josie.
Joseph. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Probably on the other side.
Community has come together like no other. It's excellent. Excellent. Thank you everybody for your support. Very, very successful event. Very. God bless you all. Thank you. As soon as I can get the opportunity to get in. Oh, and here we have the mayor attending the KFCs to benefit for the Streator tornado relief. I think we'll do a photo op here shortly with them. Great to see him here. Everybody is here tonight. Everybody in the town of Streator is here tonight. Variety of people, all the way down to the youngins are here out with their support tonight. Here we have Peyton. Hey Peyton. Look at even Peyton's out. Oh, she's a little camera shy, right? Look at that little girl. Oh, flirting with the boys. Again. Are you waving? Oh, we can't miss that. Cute. Again, we have a lot of support from all over the community. The time is only about 10 to 6, and I say we probably got about 2,000 dinners through here easily. It was a pretty good line for to-go orders, but look at this eat-in line. Look at this. It starts like outside, about 200 feet out. All the way up to the front doors.
It's on the bar side. I'll get you back. Oh, and these doors. All right, Jan, I'll talk to you later.
Wow. Lots of people. Thank you all for your support. It's all appreciated. Thank you. The time is 10 after 8. We're still serving chicken. As you can see. Overwhelming. 10 after 8.
I saw it.
proud of this community of Streator. Got to meet some people tonight off of Facebook, which is awesome. See anybody you know? I see a bunch. Hey, I think I see the mayor. The mayor's still here. Yep, there he is. He wanted to do a still photo with me, but that's okay. That's okay. I'll get him next time. Thank you very much. To y'all. Thank you to KFC's and US Foods. God bless.